Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the correct pronunciation of 15 words from English language that are mostly mispronounced by many of us. वैसे तो फ्लुएंसी और एक्यूरेसी एक लैंग्वेज के लिए बहुत मायने रखती है, लेकिन एक लैंग्वेज की खूबसूरती उसके वर्ड्स के सही प्रोनाउंसिएशन में ही होती है. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first word, epitome, epitome, epitome. Mother Teresa was the epitome of selfless service in the society. Epitome, not epitome. The next word, mortgage, mortgage, mortgage. R and T are silent in this. In the pronunciation we are following in this video, we are mainly following the standard pronunciation, that is a mix between British pronunciation and American pronunciation, and not to forget the Indian version of English. So, mortgage. The bank owns mortgage on his building. Mischievous, 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 mischievous. She has always been a mischievous girl since her school days. Mischievous. The next word, coupon, coupon, no, it is coupon. I have some coupons of the food court. If you're interested, do let me know. Coupon. The next word, tour, tour, na, tour, tour. She has gone on a long tour to Australia. Tour. So the next word is almond. Almond. It is almond. Almond. Having almonds is good for health, so you must have them. Almonds. L यहाँ पे silent होता है. Next word. Education. 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 Education is the basis of development for a society. Education. The next word, sour, 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 sour. British pronunciation में R को silent रखा जाता है और American pronunciation में R को roll किया जाता है softly. So, sour या फिर sour. The next word, niche, niche, niche. The right pronunciation is either niche or niche. Britishers pronounce करते हैं इसे as niche और Americans pronounce this as niche. इंडिया में mostly लोग niche ही बोलते हैं. It is important for you to create a niche for yourself in this society. Now this word, vineyard, vineyard, no, vineyard या फिर vineyard. Americans pronounce करते हैं इसे vineyard और Britishers pronounce करते हैं इसे vineyard. And Indian pronunciation में भी mostly इसे vineyard ही बोला जाता है. Alright, so now this word. Now the spellings can be this, or you can also put a double L. Now how is this pronounced? Jewelry, jewelry. My aunt has a rich collection of antique jewelry with her. This word, hair, air, air, E-U-H. Prince Charles, Prince William and his two sons are the next heirs to the British throne. Heir, breakfast, 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 breakfast. I had delicious cereal for my breakfast today. Breakfast. Debris, debris, no, it is debris, debris. A big team is clearing the debris caused due to the landslide. Debris. Now the last word, rebel, rebel. It is rebel or rebel. जब हम इसे नाउन फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं तो इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन होती है रेबेल. जैसे कि she is a rebel against injustice. लेकिन अगर हम इसी वर्ड को वर्ब की तरह यूज करते हैं तो इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन हो जाती है रिबेल. रिबेल. The opposition rebelled against the government in the parliament. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope this video must have helped you in some way or the other. If it did, do give it a like. Do subscribe the channel. And if you have any suggestions, any queries, or you wish for me to make a particular video on a topic, do drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be very happy to do it. And do subscribe, guys. It motivates me to bring out more videos like these. And till I see you again, don't forget to take care of yourselves and keep smiling.